Welcome back, graduates. Today I'm going to show you how to configure your right to left settings on Ecomify theme. So this is only on 2.6 and higher, and this is what we offer for 2.6 and only higher. So if you're not on it, you definitely want to have this option and be on it. So what this means is RTL is right to left. Some countries have their websites reading from right to left. So we want to give you that option. And what that looks like is if you go to extra features and then RTL languages, you'll see that, it's on the demo Ecomify Theme. .com/AR. So right now you'll see that the logo's on the right. Everything's kind of right justified. Scrolling down, you'll see everything, even the animations right to left, the everything here basically. So this is what it'll look like. And then when you go onto the product page, everything is right to left. And this is how other countries have it. So I'm going to show you today how to set up the RTL on Ecomify theme. So what you're going to want to do is go into the backend, and on 2.6 of the theme, you're going to go into click customize. There are a couple steps for this. So I'm going to click customize, and right over here, I'm going to go into my theme settings. So right now it is not RTL set. So I'm going to go into my styling, and I'm going to scroll all the way down where I see here, down here, RTL languages. So it's at the very bottom of your theme styling settings under theme settings down here. So right to left languages. So they are going to be separated by commas, and these are the languages at the moment that support that we have set as a demo for RTL. And so there's this part of it. So all you're going to have to do is get the abbreviations for the languages, set them in here, space like this. And the last part is you're going to go into your settings and go under languages. Where are languages? Languages right over here. And so far I have as my default English, and then unpublished languages, I have Arabic just as a demo purpose to show you. So going into here, HA, add, let's do H, let's do this one. And then I can go and click on publish and preview as well. So you'll notice that HA, this country has a right to left option. So it automatically adjusts because I already set it in the customizer as well to pull if these countries are have it in here, then it's going to display the right to left option right here. And that is how to configure the right to left settings on Ecomify theme. So right over here again, you're going to add this in the languages at the very bottom of your styling option under theme settings. And then you're going to go into your languages at the very bottom here. And then you're going to go and add language. And then you're going to want to publish as well. And that is how to configure the right to left on Ecomify theme.